Imagine a quiet boardroom in Detroit or Tokyo where legacy automakers felt safe and secure. For many decades, the mood in these giant corporate rooms was incredibly comfortable and predictable. They knew exactly how to build gas engines and sell traditional cars to global consumers. They also knew exactly who their main competition was across this massive and lucrative market. But recently, the entire atmosphere has shifted into something entirely different and truly quite terrifying. There is a palpable tension and a very deep sense of unease spreading through the industry. This overwhelming fear is actually not coming from Tesla, because everyone clearly saw Tesla coming. No, this brand new automotive threat is completely different and operates much more quietly today. It is vertically integrated in a unique way the automotive world has never seen before. This intense level of control has not existed since the early days of Henry Ford. And this massive new manufacturing power is coming directly from Shenzhen in the Chinese market. We are talking about a company that has moved incredibly fast and very aggressively forward. It has effectively forced the entire industry to rip up their plans and start over. They are not just making simple electric vehicles for a small niche of green consumers. They are fundamentally rewriting the basic economics of how a modern car is actually built. This is the amazing story of BYD and how they changed the automotive landscape forever. They are the company that currently has Elon Musk nervously looking over his own shoulder. Their latest strategic moves might just be the absolute end for the internal combustion engine. To understand the sheer scale of what is happening, we must look past shiny press releases. We need to go back to a time when electric cars were mere science experiments. The specific year was 1995, when the internet was barely a real concept. Mobile phones were massive brick devices that cost an absolute fortune for normal, everyday people. Enter a young man named Wang Chuanfu, who was definitely not a typical car guy. He was not a wealthy manufacturing tycoon with deep pockets and endless corporate family connections. He was simply a chemist, and that unique distinction is critical to everything that follows. Wang did not look at the wide world and see a landscape filled with cars. Instead, he looked at the exact same world and only saw a future of batteries. He realized that the mobile device revolution was coming very fast to the global market. He knew every single one of those new devices would desperately need reliable portable power. With a tiny sum of money and a very small team, he started his business. He set up a humble shop in Shenzhen without any expensive automated robotic factory arms. He completely lacked the pristine clean rooms that the giant Japanese battery corporations already possessed. What he actually had was a relentless work ethic and a brilliant understanding of energy. The company name stands for Build Your Dreams, and they started by supplying phone batteries. They successfully provided portable power to major early mobile brands like Nokia and Motorola phones. By the year 2003, they had completely conquered the global battery world. Most normal companies would have stopped right there, feeling very happy with their massive profits. But Wang always saw a much bigger picture for the future of his growing enterprise. He looked closely at the global automotive industry and realized it was ripe for disruption. He did something that seemed completely insane to every financial expert watching at the time. He purchased a failing state-owned car manufacturer to begin his very wild automotive journey. The stock market absolutely hated the bold move, and many investors thought he was crazy. Why would a highly successful battery company want to enter the stressful car manufacturing world? Car making is a low-margin business filled with high stress and endless global competition. But those short-sighted financial experts were completely missing the true point of his plan. Wang was never trying to build a better version of a traditional gasoline-powered car. He was playing a massive long game that nobody else in the industry truly understood. He strongly believed that eventually all cars would become nothing more than batteries on wheels. Since he had already mastered the complex battery, he just needed to build the chassis. This incredible visionary foresight is exactly what caught the sharp eye of a famous investor. Warren Buffett saw massive potential in this growing Chinese company during a global financial crisis. His firm dropped hundreds of millions of dollars for a very large stake in BYD. It was a massive shock to Wall Street because Buffett famously avoids unpredictable technology stocks. He also very rarely invests outside of simple businesses that he can deeply understand himself. But his trusted partner Charlie Munger saw something incredibly special in the founder Wang Chuanfu. Munger described Wang as a brilliant combination of Thomas Edison and a master business operator. He believed Wang could invent like a genius while getting things done with ruthless efficiency. That major financial investment was not just cash, but a massive global seal of approval. Armed with new capital and deep credibility, BYD began a very ruthless and rapid expansion. But here is the ultimate secret sauce that truly separates them from everyone else today. It is a special business strategy called vertical integration, and they do it perfectly well. Think of a great restaurant that grows all its own vegetables and raises own livestock. Most standard car companies are essentially just simple assemblers of various parts from different places. They buy the heavy engine from one supplier and the complex transmission from another guy. They purchase comfortable seats from a third company and delicate electronics from a fourth vendor. Then they simply bolt everything together in a giant factory and sell the final product. Even a modern pioneer like Tesla heavily relies on outside suppliers for many important components. But BYD operates completely differently by choosing to make almost everything completely inside their house. They manufacture their own complex computer chips to run the advanced digital systems inside cars. They build their own massive batteries and even independently stamp their own heavy metal bodies. They take it a step further by actually owning the physical lithium mines they need. When the global supply chain completely collapsed recently and essential chips became so incredibly scarce today, other major car makers were forced to halt production, but BYD just kept building vehicles. This extreme level of control allows them to innovate faster and cut costs extremely low. They can produce cars much cheaper than anyone in the industry ever thought was possible. This amazing capability brings us directly to the new technology that is terrifying the competition. It is called the Super Hybrid System, and it changes everything about modern vehicle driving. For a very long time, Hybrid vehicles were considered the boring middle ground of transportation. They were definitely fuel efficient, but they were largely uninspiring to drive on open roads. BYD completely changed the basic math of this technology with their brilliant new engineering design. The true holy grail of any combustion engine design is something known as thermal efficiency. This measures how much burning gas turns into actual motion instead of being wasted heat. Most standard gas-powered engines really struggle to hit a 30% thermal efficiency rating. The absolute best hybrid engines from competitors like Toyota were only pushing around 40%. BYD managed to create an amazing engine that hits an incredible 43% efficiency. That is a completely staggering number that proves they squeeze more energy from every drop. But their massive success is not just about the highly efficient gas engine they built. Their unique vehicle system is brilliantly designed to strictly run on pure electric power first. It completely flips the traditional script of how a standard hybrid car is actually supposed to work. Instead of a gas engine assisted by batteries, it is an electric motor assisted by gas. The amazing result is a powerful vehicle that consumes very little fuel over long distances. It still accelerates rapidly with the thrilling instant torque of a fully electric sports car. This clever design perfectly solves the absolute biggest hurdle for new buyers, which is range anxiety. You get the beautiful silence and speed of an electric car for your daily commute, but if you want to drive across the whole country, you just fill the tank. It is the absolute perfect bridge technology, and these vehicles are flying off the shelves. If the hybrid system is the bridge, their special blade battery is the final destination. For many years, the entire electric vehicle industry harbored a very dark and dirty secret. Traditional lithium-ion batteries were incredibly volatile and highly dangerous if they were ever punctured. If a standard battery got too hot, it could easily catch fire and burn rapidly. A dangerous fire in one single cell would quickly spread to the next in chain reactions. BYD decided to go entirely back to the drawing board to fix this massive problem. They moved far away from the highly expensive and unstable nickel and cobalt battery chemistries. They went back to lithium iron phosphate, which is much cheaper and significantly safer overall. Traditionally, this material was too heavy and simply did not hold enough dense electrical energy. BYD brilliantly solved this complex problem with a highly innovative structural change to the battery. They manufactured the individual power cells to be incredibly long and thin, just like blades. This unique shape massively increased the total surface area for much better and faster cooling. More importantly, it made the entire physical battery pack itself incredibly strong and highly durable. They publicly demonstrated this amazing durability with the now famous and dramatic nail penetration test. They took a standard competitor battery and violently drove a sharp metal nail right through. It instantly heated up, produced thick, toxic smoke, and violently burst into massive, bright flames. Then they confidently performed the exact same brutal test on their own new blade battery. The sharp metal nail went entirely in, and absolutely nothing dangerous or bad happened afterwards. There was absolutely no fire, and there was zero smoke coming from the damaged unit. The internal temperature barely even rose, making it a huge mic drop moment for them. Suddenly, this bold company had a battery that was objectively safer and much cheaper, too. It also lasted significantly longer than anything the global competition could possibly offer to consumers. Because they make it entirely themselves, they never pay any premium costs to outside suppliers. This amazing reality naturally brings us to the absolutely inevitable direct comparison with American Tesla. It is truly the ultimate heavyweight corporate title fight of this entire modern technological century. Tesla is the famous Silicon Valley darling, focused heavily on advanced software and brand prestige.